Viewers, welcome to Packaging Professionals Job Group. Today I have one new current job vacancies from MNC company which is opening today. So please watch full video until end, then you can get the more details. Before that, I want to give small introduction for our new viewers. Our Packaging Professionals Job Group channel will be upload everyday current job openings from packaging industries and related to that industries. So now you are watching our video. If you have packaging industry experience, so this channel will be very useful for you for your career growth, because we will upload everyday current job openings from packaging industry in India and out of the India. So just you subscribe our channel, just monitor the everyday notification. If you subscribe, then you can get the everyday job update. So this is, you can apply as soon as possible. For subscription, just you press the subscribe button and press the bell icon button, just click the all option. If you like to share to your friends, you can share. If you like our videos, then you can like. Because why I am saying the subscription, this is not the entertainment video or any another video. This is for the job openings, current job openings. If you subscribe, then our uploads you can get immediately in your notification. So you can watch immediately. If this job is very suitable for your profile, then you can apply on the same day. So within 2 to 3 days you can get the feedback from company. If you watch later, then there has many more people will watch this video. So same your profile people also can be watch this video, so they can apply before you and they can get the job. So this is the only small risk in our this job channel. So you must subscribe and just monitor everyday job notification. This is the very important. Second things, you need to watch full video. For example, if I am sharing our new uploads in Facebook, another social media, Twitter, then the peoples are commenting, I am interested, they are sending their phone number, they are asking my phone number. Just I will explain one thing. I am not recruiter. This channel is not recruiting anything. This channel is basic platform from company to you. You means job shaker who need the job. So you need to apply, you need to get this job if you have interest then. So subscribe our channel, watch full video, just trying to understand that videos content, just you can apply. This is the simple procedure. I feel this is easy to follow. Okay dears, now we will go to job profile. Today job opening from one MNC company which is in India. That company name Sabros Limited. This company more videos I was uploaded in our channel. The higher profile jobs will be uploaded from this company. This company basically automobile industry, air conditioning systems manufacturer. This Sabros Limited provided their website www.sabros.com. you can go to this website and you can check this company biography, everything. This is the big MNC. This job opening, this job opening location in Chennai plant. There has 2 job position opening today. The job position, one is senior engineer or junior manager, who are looking for senior engineer, junior manager job for mold maintenance, plastic mold, injection molding, plastic industry persons, experienced persons. You can apply for this one. This senior engineer, junior manager job experience requirement from Sabros is 8+ years, minimum 8 years experience you need. More than 8 years, there is no any issue. You are welcome. This position qualification requirement, diploma, DPMT from CPAT. This is the job position 1 requirements. Job position 2, deputy engineer or assistant engineer. Who will looking for deputy engineer or assistant engineer position for mold maintenance, plastic mold. Who have experience in plastic industry, they can apply. Experience required for this job position for deputy engineer, assistant engineer, minimum 3 years, 3+ years experience required. So minimum 3 years experience need. More than 3 years, you are welcome. This one also has the same qualification requirement, diploma, DPMT from CPAT. So this 2 job position has opened Sabros Limited today. This plant is located in Chennai, South India. This 2 position, who have interest, who had experience in same automobile industry, then you are most welcome. If you are new for this automobile industry, but you have this mold maintenance experience, same qualification, you also welcome. You can apply, no issue. If automobile industry, same experience, then this is easy for consideration. So automobile industry, you don't have experience, but you are working in another industry with the same field, then you can also welcome to apply for this job. So you can send your CV to career.sabros@yahoo.com. Just you share your updated CV to career.sabros@yahoo.com. Before sending mail, just please mention in subject which position you are applying. This is must be mentioned in subject. So who have interested, just apply right now. If you apply today, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can get the call from company. If your profile is suitable, then. So today we have seen the 2 job position from Sabros Limited. So tomorrow I will bring you from different industry job. So don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.